Now the first question, everyone. What is the full form of URL? Everyone.
Sir, may I?
Yes, anyone tell me what is the full form of URL?
Form locator. Source locator.
Yes, anyone tell me what is the full
Sir, uniform locator.
uniform resource
Locator.
Now second question. What is internet? What is internet?
Sir, it is network of network.
So Ayushi, give the chance to other also. Shivam is there, Harshit is there, Vidya is there, Kanishka is there. Others also, you also can answer. Now, internet is a
Internet is network of
network
of network. Network.
Right, third question. Internet is a network of. Concentrate for the next question. Who is the founder of www? Who is the founder of www?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, Tim Berners-Lee.
So the answer is Tim Berners. Tim Berners. Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of www.
Sir, Robert Kelly also, na?
Yes, name any 5 popular web browser. Name any 5 popular web browser. Name any 5 popular web browser.
Sir, may I tell? Sir, may I?
Yes, tell me the answer. Aryan Anand, tell the answer if you know. The first one. Name any 5 popular browser. The first popular browser is Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Yes, other.
Sir, Mozilla Firefox.
Mozilla Firefox. Firefox. Next.
Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer. Next one.
Sir, Opera.
Opera. Another is Safari.
Safari.
मैं बार बार बता रहा हूँ ये रिवीजन है, ठीक है ना। ये टोटल अब जो भी कराएंगे ना आने वाला एक जस्ट वी हैव टू मींस वी हैव लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 1 chapter, right? So from Monday that chapter I will start. It will take another 5 to 6 class. The total 3 PowerPoint chapter is there. Within 5 to 6 class it will be over. So it's currently I am means we are going with the revision. Every day we will revise means all the chapters one by one. Next question, everyone. Fifth question. What is the full form of www? What is the full form of
World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Sir, World Wide Web.
Answer is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Name any 2 popular search engine. Name any two popular search engines.
Sir, Google Chrome and Yahoo. Sir, Yahoo. Google Chrome.
So Google Chrome is a browser. See here everyone. Google Chrome is a browser, not a search engine. Name any three popular.
Yahoo and Bing.
So first one is
Sir,
Google.
Yahoo and Bing.
Google is the first one. Second one is Yahoo.
Yahoo.
Third one is
Third, Bing.
Bing.
Yes, sir.
Apart from this, also lot others are also there. Lot of search engines are there in the market. So the popular three is Google, Yahoo, Bing, right? Baidu
Yes,
is
sir.
there. But these are the popular search engine, right? What is website? What is website?
Sir, I can.
Yes, anyone tell me.
Sir,
Nitish is
website
there.
is collection of web pages. Website is a collection of number of web pages.
Yes, website is a collection of number
Web
of web
pages.
pages, or it is a collection of web pages.
Website.
Web pages. Right. Next question. What is the full form of BCC in email?
Sir, blind carbon copy.
Blind carbon copy.
Blind
Carbon copy.
blind carbon copy. Carbon copy.
Copy.
Blind carbon copy. Next question.
কি বলে सर की धैर्य के
What is the purpose of two section? What is the purpose of two in email ID?
Sir, may I tell?
What is the purpose of two while sending mail to resender? While sending mail to sender. Yes, tell me.
We type, sir, here we type the email address of the person, address of the receiver.
To specify the email
Email
ID of the receiver.
Email ID of receiver.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ये सुनना वाली है के है ना आपको घर में ना नहीं रहा तो दिक्कत नहीं होगा।
Yes, ready for the next question, everyone. Next question. Next question is, concentrate everyone.
concentrated
Next question is, what is the full form of ISP?
Sir, may I internet service provider. Internet service provider.
Answer is internet service provider.
Internet service
Internet service provider.
Sir,
Just wait. What is the purpose of? What is the purpose of BCC in BCC while sending the mail
message.
mail
Sir,
to
may I tell?
receiver?
May I tell?
Yes.
May I tell?
Anyone tell me?
Sir, it is used to send copy of the mail to several people.
Yes. Who can tell the answer correctly? Why we are sending?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the purpose of BCC while sending the mail is so some people, whoever we are sending mail, some people cannot see black what we are sending.
Yes. Very good, Abhigyan Narayan. Very good. See here, write in this way
Thank you. Thank you.
the email address mentioned in this field is not visible
Visible.
to other recipient or receiver to the other receiver. The email address mentioned in this field is not visible to other receiver, correct? Clear or not?
Yes.
Now next. Next one is what is algorithm? What is algorithm? What is algorithm? Yes, everyone, tell me what is algorithm? Anyone tell me? Otherwise, I will tell. What is algorithm?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, it is a set of steps to solve any logical or mathematical problem.
Yes, algorithm is a
Algorithm is a pictorial. Sorry.
algorithm is a
A
set
set
of
sequential steps to
steps
solve any logical or a mathematics
solve
problem.
any problems. Solve any problems.
Any logical or a mathematical problem.
Simply, you can write problems. Algorithm is a set of steps to solve any problems.
ओके सर, ये इसमें लॉजिकल और मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं लिखने से प्रॉब्लम ही लिख देंगे.
Yes, simply you can write problems. Next question.
ओके सर.
Yes, next question. What is flow chart? Flow chart. What is
A flow chart is a
Pictorial representation of algorithm or
solving a particular problem.
Yes, very good, Abhigyan Narayan. Flow chart is a pictorial or diagrammatic. Pictorial representation
Of the steps to solve a problem.
Pictorial representation of an algorithm.
Algorithm for solving a particular problem.
Okay, now the next question is what is the purpose of? Now next one, tell me which symbol is used in flow chart? Which symbol is used in flow chart? Flow chart for a decision purpose. For decision purpose.
Kite.
Kite.
Sir, kite.
Kite.
Answer is
Kite.
Kite.
Kite. Now next one. Which symbol is used in flowchart for taking input
Input. Input box.
Input output box.
So what is
Input
the
and output box.
Input output box.
so what is the name of that? Yes, listen, what is the name of that input and output box? Which symbol is used in flowchart for taking input or output?
Output.
Yes.
Input or output box.
Yes, it is the input and output box. Here, see here. You can say here which symbol is used in flowchart for decision purpose? Decision box. But that decision box has one name. The name of that decision box is kite. So which symbol is
Kite.
in flowchart for taking input and output? So the answer is parallelogram.
Okay, sir.
Now next one. Which symbol is used in flowchart for processing any statement
Sir, rectangle.
Rectangle.
So the answer is rectangle.
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 Up to here everyone is comfortable?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the next. What is the purpose of connectors in a flowchart?
Sir,
The purpose of connector is used to connect
one part
the
of flow
part
to
of
another.
flowchart to another.
Yes. It is used to connect one part of flowchart to
To another.
another. It is used to connect one part of flowchart to another. What is the purpose of flow lines in flowchart? What is the purpose of
Sir, flow line for the direction in which the program is moving. Sir, it
decision in which the program is moving. These
of
arrows are used to connect the various geometrical symbols in a flowchart.
flow lines determine the direction in which
the program is moving.
the program is moving. Flow line determines the direction. Flow line determines the direction in which the program is moving. Flow line determines the direction in which program is moving. Up to here everyone is comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now everyone tell me which is not a valid email ID. Which is not a valid email ID. So see here.
Sir, not able to tell.
Wait. So this type of question I will discuss later. Wait. Who is the founder of Google. Who is the founder of Google?
Sir, may I tell?
Anyone tell me?
Sir, Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
Larry Page
Page.
and
Sergey Brin.
Brin. Next.
Sir, what is the meaning of feedback?
Comments.
Yes. Right. So suppose I am taking the class of computer. So now at the end of the session I will ask whether everyone is able to understand or not the computer class properly. So tell me, give your feedback out of 10 how much you can rate. 10 में आप लोग मुझे कितना देना चाहते हैं? तो ये क्या हुआ, ये फीडबैक आप दीजिएगा, समझे?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Each web page, everyone concentrate here. Each web page has a unique address called as dash.
Sir, URL.
URL.
Unique
The answer is
source
URL.
locator.
Uniform resource locator. So bye everyone. So in this way I have today discussed 2 chapters. 2 chapter आज हम रिवाइज कर चुके हैं. Chapter number 12 internet and flowcharts. All right. In the next class,
Yes, sir.
from tomorrow I will start your PowerPoint. ठीक है ना? उसके बाद
Okay.
next also remaining chapters also I will revise before your final exam. Bye everyone.
Bye.